بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته maanta waxaa ila joogo nin matali kara codad kala gedisan marka hore waxaan weydiinayaa magaciisa ka bacdina wuxuu noo soo bandhigi doonaa inta cod oo macnaha ku kaydsan isaga shakhsi ahaantiisa. And first, what is your name, brother? William, how many voices you can make it?
It's around 13, 14. I'm still practicing.
Okay, can you start for us, please?
Thank you.
waa tahay in badan oo dadka kamid ah waxaan filayaa in codadkaasi laftirkooda ay koobi ku sameyn doonaan. How many years you making this?
It's since I was 4 years old. I started at the age of 4 years old, and I'm still practicing more every day.
So how many voices you make it now? Can you explain for us?
I'm still practicing, but it's about 13, 14.
No,
I'm not.
I want to know how many animals you could do. You do it.
Yes, it's about 13, 14.
Yeah. So we need the names. Example.
Oh, the cat, it's a dog, a donkey, horse, cow, and so.
Okay. Thanks a lot, brother. Maybe we will meet another time, and you're gonna make more than this.
Yes, shukran.